Oh yeah. Yeah, I checked
Yeah.
the YouTube broadcast, and it was getting my audio, but yeah,
Okay.
you just weren't hearing it.
Okay. Yeah. So I think there are a few more tests not passing.
Yep.
So maybe we.
Okay. Let me change mine real quick to.
The only thing I don't like about hosting these Hangouts is it pops up this new window. I don't know how to add it to my normal Chrome. Does this happen to you? Like I have this normal. Or yeah, I know what I can do.
Oh.
Yeah, I know exactly what I can do. So I can have you there and have you there. And where's the other guy? Where's my other? So so maybe I have this guy right here. Right in the middle. Yep. Now I can swap between them easily. So so what we are you're making your test pass, right?
Yep. I'm just doing the same thing.
Okay. And maybe we can refactor it to have something better. I'm not sure if that's the best way to write it down.
Okay. No.
So when it redirects to lose, it doesn't run. The execution doesn't reach the line 57.
When it redirects to lose, no. Shouldn't.
Okay.
Or does it?
I'm not sure. I only know that when it's a return, it doesn't. I'm not sure. So I played safe of doing an else, but maybe we can try.
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Looks fine.
Yeah.
Passing.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you're gonna run the other tests.
Okay. So what's next? We did the game over that feature.
Yeah, we can look at the features in the and see the ones that we haven't run.
So it says push to Heroku and make sure everything still works, and then give yourself a break to play a few rounds of Hang Person.
Yeah, but I don't think all the tests are passing yet.
No, yeah, I know, but all it asked us to do was do the scenario game over dot feature. So I
Oh,
think they're gonna get to the other ones after, like, as we go through,
okay.
right? Oh, no, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So yeah, there's a place they say make sure all the tests are passing.
Yeah, that is before this, right?
Yeah.
Um, so what do we have left? We did game over
Yeah.
and
You can go
guess.
game over and guess
We
and
need
start.
to do and start new game. Did we do that one?
Yeah, we did that. The very
Okay,
first.
so repeated guess is what we need, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Cucumber. Um, all right.
Yep.
So let's see. If I guess B again, the word should read that, and I should see you have already used that letter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
that's in show. It's still show, but show should display you've
okay.
already guessed that letter.
So it'll be in show. Um hmm. Okay. So what should we do here?
There's no implementation that you've already guessed that letter.
Um in the model, what happens if you already guess a letter that is that it does nothing, right?
When you guess a letter that has already been guessed, I think I think it does nothing.
Yeah.
That's in the guesses method.
Return false. Okay. So guess dot letter will return false if you've already guessed it. So we can use that false value to
Yeah, it returns false. So in app.rb, so if it's play and
maybe the guess. Where's the guess? So it's okay, here we go. Right above the post guess method in app.rb it says use existing methods in Hang Person game to process a guess. If a guess is repeated, set flash message to you have already used that letter. Right?
Yeah.
And if guess is invalid, set flash message to invalid guess. So
how do we know invalid or already made?
Let's start with the repeated part.
Okay.
How do we use the existing game logic? Well, we when we do add game.guess, it will return false. Right?
Yeah.
So
maybe we inside the show this flash message. So this is how it carries context from the server side to the web page, to the HTML, using flash dot message. So
yeah, I guess
inside over here we can do if guess. Okay, maybe if
so. Can we just do this unless at no. Yeah. Unless at game.guess letter.
Oh, game.
And then
oh yeah.
We want to do is we want to set flash message. So flash message equals you have already guessed. You've already used that letter.
Maybe I need to mute.
So what I did is I put flash message. You have already used that letter unless at game.guess letter. So if it's false, then it will assign this string to flash message. You there?
So I'm asking now, do we have to call this again, line 45?
Line 45?
After doing this.
On what? Line 45 in app.rb is blank on mine.
Okay, can you see mine?
No, I'm not seeing your screen.
Oh, I didn't share. Sorry. I need to share. I thought I was sharing.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. Or well, I see your screen. So you have unless at game guest letter flash message equals yeah, you have the same thing.
So do we still need this guy? Given that we are calling it here?
I don't think so. That's what I was gonna see if it worked without the second call.
Okay.
But so now do we need to add another? So what's this going to do
Some
to
error.
display the message? I don't think it'll actually display the message, so I think we have to add something in to get that to display. But let's check it out. Were you gonna run the cucumber thing again?
Yeah. I thought you did. Mine is syntax error, end of input.
Oh,
line 55. Okay.
yes, it's working for me.
Oh yeah, you did it different. You can see what you did.
Let me show you. I don't think so. I think we did the same thing.
Yeah, but I just
All I
had
did
an
was
extra.
put the thing after. Oh, yeah. If you put it on a separate line, you had to put an end on the
Yeah.
unless. Is that what happened?
Yep.
If you go back to your, do you
Yeah,
have an end
that's what
after
happened.
the unless? Okay.
I did not have an end, so I needed to put an end, but then I saw yours and so it was much cleaner. So we'll just do it your way.
Okay.
And they all pass.
So it works, but how's it work? Because I don't see how this message is getting. So it redirects it to show, right?
Yeah.
And then when it runs show.erb, oh, if flash, oh, yeah, I see it here. If flash message, then it's going to add uh,
Error.
this error.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
So now we have all the tests passing, right? But it looks
Yeah.
like it wanted us to change one more thing in the comments of the
In the
where was it?
comments.
So can we go back to that app.rb the guess? It says if a guess is invalid, set flash message to invalid guess, which would probably fix.
But we don't have. Do we have tests for checking for an invalid guess?
No, and there's no test for it. But
Yeah. So I think maybe
should we not do it?
maybe in the future that's one of the tests that we should create.
Okay.
Maybe working from creating the tests to making it pass. Currently I think we just have tests created
Well,
for us, then we make the test pass.
yeah, that's true. It is test driven development, right? So
Yeah.
okay.
So if they still don't have tests for them, I don't think they. Yeah.
So
So I was just going to run my my grep. So bundle exec. Then localhost 9292. Hmm.
I'm playing a game.
Yeah, me too. What do I got now? Guesses.
Hmm.
What's this word? I,
What is it? Let me see. Oh, you're doing good here.
yeah.
Only one wrong guess. Try an R.
Nope. It's not breathe.
No.
Betray D.
Um.
I,
Hmm.
almost there. Almost losing.
Location. Something location.
Is it not health?
Multiplication. Nope.
Okay, what do you have on yours? I've not seen yours. Okay, you. Well, haha. Look who the winner is.
You won?
Yeah, mine was wealth.
Nice. You win.
Yep.
I don't know what mine is. Oh, supplication?
So you see, they asked us to check this.
Publication.
Just publication.
Yes.
Oh, nice. So
That's awesome.
just go back and new game, create new game.
Uh-huh.
Then without guessing, go to win.
I win. Yes.
Yeah. So they asked us to make sure this doesn't happen.
No, I like this.
Yeah, they asked us to make sure this doesn't happen. How do they make
Okay.
sure someone doesn't?
How do we modify the actions for win, lose, and show to prevent this behavior?
Yeah.
Um,
So I think within when rendering the page, okay, in the show, check for the status to be win. So I think here, this we only do this if we only do this if it's correct.
okay, but then what will happen? I think you just deleted an end first. The
Yes.
end to the do end block. But what will happen if you go to the win page now? It's basically not going to do any. It's not going to render anything. But will it just be a blank page?
I'm not sure. Let me see what happens. I think I needed to. It just renders blank.
Windows blank. Okay. So maybe I would think I what I want to do is pass I want to do a redirect with an error message saying you are a cheater.
Yeah. Uh,
I want to see if we can do that. So
or maybe do we just redirect to show? So
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we would have to redirect to show, but um
you have the error message set to cheater.
yeah.
I, I don't think I can achieve that in one line.
So yeah. No, you can't. I don't think. Well, not not. It wouldn't look pretty anyways. So I need an unless here. Unless at game check win or lose equals win.
Yeah.
And no. keep doing this.
Yeah.
I want to flash message. And
Redirect.
redirect.
Sure.
Oh.
So
Works.
yeah,
So now can you still?
W. Yeah, it must be there. I. I normally start guessing with the vowels. So that should be done to the lose as well.
No, because why would you cheat to make yourself lose? Actually, you know what? We might be. Maybe we should redirect to lose. if you try and just go to win, just takes you right to lose.
He's so mean. Yeah, I think so. So, I've seen you're so used to the unless statement.
Yeah.
I tend to have it. I normally tend to use if.
Yeah. Well, I start out using if, and then I notice like whenever I start using not equal instead of equal, then I realize I can just use unless.
Oh yeah.
So that's my
Oh,
clue.
okay. Lose.
I mean, really, it's not any difference.
Yep. Unless this, then we redirect lose.
Yeah, that's better.
Else, it's a win. Yep. And then this as well. I think I can, because I'm lazy, copy that.
What are you gonna redirect to though?
Okay. Maybe I'll be nice. Since they want us to check both. So I want There's that command that I should run. Okay, maybe I just can do my local host 9292. Again. My way is failing.
It is?
No, I was saying, and when guessing, I normally start with the vowels because there are only 5.
Oh,
So I can't get to 7 without guessing something right. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna cheat. Yeah.
I'm gonna try and make myself lose. Lose took me to win. Wait a minute.
Such a
What?
loser. Such a winner.
Took me to win. What's going on here?
You're cheating.
Redirect show.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. So do we go and read the rest of the? Oh yeah. So that's wow. What word is that? That's so Dallas. That's so Dallas. X.
X? Trying to make me lose.
W.
Come on.
J. I'm gonna lose either way.
Yeah,
R.
true.
Amazing.
And you didn't even tell me to put Z.
That was worse than X. That was closer to Q. Yeah, I think we can
I
read the
lose.
rest of the. Wait. Rules.
Okay. Looks good.
Yeah, looks fun.
Oh. Why is it putting you are a cheater now? I guess because I put in win first and then
New guess. Okay. Okay, I don't like that, and I don't like figuring out how not to have it there. If someone will just get play on, play on.
Okay. So there's a bug in mine, but it doesn't fail any tests, so I don't care.
Yeah, it covers you up when you're in trouble. But all my tests are passing.
Yep.
So,
All right. Did we finish or
yeah, we
we
finish
have?
up the read up.
Oh, it says to push to Heroku after
Okay.
that, right?
Yeah. So maybe
Oh, whoops.
and so
Mm,
Heroku login. It was Heroku login.
I'm just staging my. I'm just committing my changes.
Okay.
Oops.
That I think I should hide this guy. Yep, I think it will succeed.
Mine is still
pushing.
Oh wait, no, that's right. We didn't change that. So I forgot to test if the repeated letter. You've already used that letter. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Oh man, I'm gonna lose. God damn.
N-A-I. Wow, this should be really easy now.
Mm.
um,
Addict. I'm not addict.
It says you are.
Yeah.
Am I missing something really obvious here?
Let me see what you have. Nail.
I'm just gonna. Oh, duh. Nail. Hold on. I just want to win. Oh, can't. Right.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious. And then what happens after we push to Heroku?
Let's read.
Yeah.
Push to Heroku. And then it says give yourself a break and play a few rounds, which we've already done that. And then we did the win, lose, and show stuff. Okay, so it says what to submit. Make sure all cucumber scenarios are passing. And then submission instructions. When all scenarios are passing, deploy to Heroku and submit the URL of your deployed game. Make sure the Heroku URL does not begin with HTTPS or HTTP. You may get a socket error message.
So this is like
Cool.
oh, so it seems like it's the end of homework 2.
It's the end, yeah.
Okay.
But we ate. This is part 5, so it's got some other stuff for us to read in part 6 and part 7. But yeah, we're pretty much done as far as what we need to submit.
Okay.
So it's good. I'm glad I got caught up.
Yeah, I think you worked pretty hard on that. Yeah, I think I think it adds on another regular attendee.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's good you. I'll maybe try watching the videos for week 3 during the week. I don't know if I'll
Yep.
get the time.
Yeah.
And then maybe
Me too.
yeah, when we
There's
meet
like a week 3. Like one of the things is like using the public resources to learn Rails. So that's going to take a lot of It's
okay.
like we're going to use Code Academy or something like that to do the. We got to do the Rails tutorials and.
Oh, nice.
And then the video, do more stuff about Rails, and then we'll be using Rails in our next homework, I guess.
Okay. Nice. I didn't thought through that. I think that's cool.
Hmm.
And maybe we can just stop there and do the submission and
Yep.
yeah. Okay.
All right.
Yep. Cool.
Well, we'll see you next week then.
All right. Bye.
All right. See you later.
Cool.